Chicago. We'll get our full forecast coming up.
Now, you may see this lady in an exam room at the hospital or courtside. A former college athlete herself, Dr. Kathy Weber, is the Chicago Bulls head team physician. She's only one of a couple of female doctors in the NBA.
Now, she practices with Midwest Orthopaedics at Rush, where she is a sports medicine physician, but she also sees some of the biggest, literally biggest names in professional sports, like D. Rose. So our Summer Jackson goes one-on-one with Bulls team doctor Kathy Weber.
Well, I'm a physician and I see patients at Midwest Orthopaedics at Rush. You fall down and hurt your knee. You're playing sports and you twist your ankle. So I see those type of injuries all day long. You know, I have a really exciting practice because I get to see all comers and I get to see the pros as well. Here in the NBA, there's one other female doctor, and in the NBL, I'm the only female doctor. Actually, the Chicago White Sox approached us, and they came to me and said, "Are you interested?" And I said, "Am I interested?" My gosh, yes, of course. We've been with the Bulls and the Sox. I think this is our 9th season.
Holding on to his knee and down.
You know, D. Rose is working hard, and he's on schedule, so he's doing great. We've been the group to take care of him from the injury on. He's a player, and we take care of all the Chicago Bulls. So when he got injured, Midwest Orthopaedics, the surgery was done by our group. So I cover a number of games. I don't cover every home game, but I cover probably half of the home games during the regular season, and then I travel during playoffs. Yeah, I mean, it's cool. It's a cool job. I will never take that away from it. But you know, it is a job, and my job is to do the best I can for the players and the team.
So when we're watching the game at home or we're here at the United Center, where should we look for you?
Well, hopefully not on the floor. That's a bad thing when the doctor's on the floor. Typically, I'm sitting in the stands, watching the game, cheering a little bit, and hoping that no one gets injured.
Now, when you were starting out as a doctor, did you ever think in your wildest dreams that all of these doors and opportunities would open in this arena?
You know, I mean, I always knew I wanted to be involved with teams. And I think that, you know, it's very few that get to do what I do. And, you know, I feel very privileged and honored. And you know, did I ever think? I always dreamed. And I always think if you don't dream, you'll never get it.
I guess the only thing left to say is, go Bulls!
I wonder what sport she played.
I know, we're trying to, because she's so tiny. It had to be gymnastics. I want to joke.
Or maybe she was track. No, because her legs were short.
I don't know. I wanted Joakim to just like pick her up and like a little rag doll, put her into his pocket.
No. Dr. Weber and the Midwest Orthopaedics at Rush also act as team physicians for DePaul University, Malcolm X College, and the Chicago Force women's football team. If you need more information on them, you can find it right there at the information on your screen.